Buying Bitcoin with your iPhone just got even easier thanks to Apple Pay on Coinbase. In this updated tutorial, we'll walk you through the latest, most convenient way to purchase Bitcoin using your Apple Pay in just a few simple steps, keeping you in control of your digital investments. First, open your Coinbase app. If you don't have it yet, download it from your App Store and create an account. Once you're logged in, tap on the Buy button located at the bottom of the screen. Next, you'll see a list of available cryptocurrencies. Scroll or search until you find Bitcoin and tap on it to select it. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy. You can type in a specific dollar amount below the amount field. You'll see your payment options. Tap on Add Payment Method. Among the various payment methods, you'll see Apple Pay. Select this option. Your Apple Pay interface will now pop up here. You can choose the card you wish to use for the transaction. Confirm the details are correct. Review the transaction details, including the amount and the card you're using. Once you're satisfied, you'll authenticate the payment using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. And just like that, you've successfully purchased Bitcoin using Apple Pay on Coinbase. Your new Bitcoin will appear in your Coinbase wallet shortly. This method offers a secure and familiar way to invest in Bitcoin, leveraging the convenience of Apple Pay for quick and easy transactions. Stay updated with Coinbase and happy investing.